guys. Hello. Today we have an idea. To making a cake. Yeah.
Yes.
I have two people helping me also for making a cake. What kind of cake we gonna making?
Strawberry
cake.
Huh?
Strawberry cake.
What kind of cake, Emily?
Strawberry cake.
Okay, Alex.
Strawberry cake.
Okay, what you doing, Alex? Show our friend.
Egg.
Egg. You start now? Okay. Okay, good job, Alex. Okay, so we will show you and how we making a cake. Let's do it. We'll see that. Okay. กดยังไง
กดละถ่ายหน้า
ยังไม่ได้หยิบเกลือให้หน่อยนี่ไปเอานมสดที่เป็นขวดอยู่ในตู้เย็นมาหน่อยปิดไว้ก่อนเลยทำแขนยังไงถือก่อนคน
What? How? How did you fall in there?
เปิดยังไง
เปิดอยู่เห็นหน้ามาลี
น่ากินไหมคะ
เอ็มลีแบบคนอื่นมันเป็นวิปครีมได้ไงอะ
มันเป็นฟองเยอะเกินหรือเปล่าวะ
ได้แหละ น่ากิน
This sauce finished already. Oh, put on top cake. Strawberry. I don't know how they call strawberry jam or strawberry. I don't know. Wow, looking good now. Yeah. Ooh. ก็ลืมทานเลย Okay, strawberry cake was done now. Done now. Oh my god! First time I'm making cake. Look at this. Oh my god! I don't know, can eat or not. Look. Look, that is not look like a cake. Just surprise myself, first time making cake, but this look like, not look like cake. But I think can eat, no problem. Emily, the cake look yummy?
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit? Alex? Alex want to try? I very shy that look, oh my god, the cake will look like this. Okay. Okay. So now we gonna try, huh?
yes
Okay. Okay. And Emily, time to say bye bye to our friend now. Because we get to enjoy for the cakes. First time we making cakes. Everyone want to try now. It's yummy or not? Okay, say bye bye to our friend now.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.